So you clicked on this video because you was wondering what my disappointment is. Well, I'm extremely disappointed because yesterday I put in a whole day's work in crocheting this swatch and then editing a tutorial, and I was really excited about sharing this new stitch pattern that was really unique, and I didn't think that you guys had seen it yet. So I went ahead and I videoed it, and I thought it came out great. And then when it came time to edit it, hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this is where I research, I share, I study, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, will you please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I noticed that it was totally out of focus. Am I going to go ahead and put that out there for you guys? No. I tried to give you guys the best quality videos that I possibly can. And I want it to be clear and I want the audio to be great. But that wasn't what happened with this video. I don't know. I must have accidentally hit the focus on the little focus wheel on my camera and it zoomed out a little bit, which threw it way out of whack. So I guess it's gonna have to end up being for next week's video. I will go ahead and I will redo it and I'll put that tutorial on for Tuesday. So with all of that being said, I wanna wish you a very happy Thanksgiving from my household to yours. Chris and I are going down into the community room to share Thanksgiving with a bunch of other families in this building. We're really excited about that. So comment below and let me know what you did for your Thanksgiving. Did you spend it with family? Did you spend it with friends? Or did you just end up staying home or going to a restaurant? Or there's so many different things that you could have done. Comment below. I'm really interested on hearing what you did for Thanksgiving. So with all that being said, I again wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Be grateful, eat plenty, and stay well. And until next time, bye.